Okay, a really nice way of representing some stats is to make box plot diagrams. Box plot diagrams show the minimum, the interquartile range, and the maximum values for different locations. Before you do it on your box plot here, you'll need to paste in your data. Okay, so your prices, your house prices, your rent prices for your two destinations. Obviously, you'd have different titles. Change them here. I've already done the formulas there, and I'll show you how to do them for Manchester. They're both the same. We did these earlier, so you should be able to do them. So it's equals min, open brackets, highlight the Manchester values, close brackets, push enter. The lower quartile is equals quartile, and then you highlight the data range again here. Then you type a comma, and for the lower quartile, you put a 1. It picks that out. For the upper quartile, you write equals quartile, and you highlight the data, and you choose 3. And finally, to get the highest value, you do equals max, and you highlight those, close brackets, 1500 there. Once you've got this data, you highlight the labels here on the left-hand side, not the top ones, and you do insert chart. It'll create the normal bar chart, so you need to change the type over in the editor. You want to scroll down and pick this one here, which is a candlestick chart. Now you've got the candlestick chart, it's important that you customize this, okay? And put in titles. So you've got your chart title, so you'd write your chart title in here, box plot for Cardiff and Manchester rent prices. That right, yeah. And you can do all your changes and stuff and your fonts and whatnot in there. Saying then I want you to add a horizontal axis title, so that's the location, location in there, and for the vertical we've got the price in pounds. Do all your editing that you need to do, your colors, etc., and then you've got there. What this actually represents is these two lines here. Okay, that's the minimum value. So it shows us the minimum price and the maximum. So that's the range of prices there. So we can see in Manchester, a much wider range of price. This is the interquartile range between the 25th percentile and the 75th percentile in there. So it's very narrow for Cardiff in mine and much wider for Manchester. So with a visual representation of that data there. With any of these charts, any ones I've showed you before, there's a couple of things you can do. You can save the image, and that would pop that into your Google Drive, download an image for you. Okay,
so quickly I'm going to show you how to make a cumulative frequency table.
It's opening a bit crazy and opening something up there. It also, if you go up here, click on that, you can copy the chart by pressing that or Command C on your keyboard and paste it in. Command C. It's always best to copy and paste out the sheets into your Google Docs as opposed to screenshotting it out. You won't have all this other stuff around in there as well. So that's how to make box plots for Cardiff and Manchester to use in your financial report.